Sierra with WTI, and who else is a Whovian out there? I know myself for one, I'm a total Doctor Who fan. I love every single episode. There's so many of them, and yet I still can't get enough. That's why I got Doctor Who Time Lord Fairytales. I mean, come on, we're all stories in the end. 15 tales of ancient wonder and mystery passed down through generations of Time Lords. It is so sweet. It's kind of like extra content when you've already watched every single episode. They're all unique. They're all different doctors that tell these stories. And of course, the fairy tales themselves are fabulous, great content. But my favorite thing about this book actually is just the way it sits on my shelf. It's a subtle nod to my love of Doctor Who. I love the detailing from the embossed gold on the back, on the sides. There's also these adorable white Easter eggs. You'll see little drawings, and those are Easter eggs to the stories inside. I definitely recommend, if you're a Doctor Who fan like myself, or you're just kind of getting into Doctor Who, or maybe you just really like science fiction, this is the book for you. I love it so much. And that is my point of view.